today we are doing a revision on chapter 1 maths. So already we did some questions from this chapter 1. So today we are doing some other questions from the same. So we can start with some rationalization question. Some easy questions we can do, and then we can go slowly towards the difficult questions. Okay, so write here some questions for rationalization. 2, 3 root 3. This is first question. Another question is root 5 plus root 2 divided by root 5 minus root 2. So you can simplify this 2 first, and then we can go for some extra questions. Okay, so here rationalization means what? We are removing the root from the denominator value. Okay, so if any number or any fraction contains the root in the denominator, that means that we have to remove. That is nothing but rationalization. So here I will write 2 divided by 3 root 3 into, I will multiply here 3 root 3 divided by 3 root 3. So here you can write 2 3s are 6. 6 into root 3 divided by 3 into 3 is a 9, and root 3 into root 3 is nothing but how much? We have 3. Okay, so here 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, so 2 root 3 divided by 9. This is what the answer. This is what the rationalization. Now here for second part we can do root 5 plus root 2 divided by root 5 minus root 2. Multiply with the same denominator but the opposite sign. So we can multiply here root 5 plus root 2 upon root 5 plus root 2. So here same things are multiplied. So I can write here root 5 plus root 2 whole bracket square divided by a minus b, a plus b, that is nothing but what? A square minus b square. So here root 5 square is 5, root 2 square is 2, and 2 into root 5 into root 2. I expanded by a plus b whole bracket square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab, divided by here 5, root 5 square is nothing but 5, and root 2 square is nothing but 2. So here 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 2 root of 10 divided by 5 minus 2 is nothing but 3. So this is what the final answer. Can you get it? How to do the rationalization? Okay. These are very important steps. Copy this. Finish this. We can go for the next question. Write down. X is equal to take x is equal to, if x is equal to root 2 plus 1 divided by root 2 minus 1, and y is equal to root 2 minus 1 upon root 2 plus 1. Then find the value of x square plus y square plus xy. They are asking us to find out the value for this. Okay, but here they gave x is equal to this value, y is equal to this, and they want the resultant for this. Okay, so what they are expecting, according to that try to obtain the things. Here they are saying x square. I have x here, so you can make the square of this. So here you can write x square, and here or you can take x as it is. Okay, and write down here root 2 plus 1 upon root 2 minus 1. So don't make square immediately. You can just rationalize first. Okay. So root 2 plus 1 upon root 2 minus 1 into, we are multiplying with the denominator but with opposite sign. So here minus, so it's plus, and root 2 plus 1. So same things are what? Multiplied. So bracket square will come root 2 plus 1 whole bracket square upon a square minus b square, because a minus b, a plus b. So root 2 square minus here 1 square. So here you can expand this by a plus b whole bracket square, that is a square plus b square plus twice ab. So here 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 root 2 into 1. And here root 2 square is 2 and 1 square is 1, that is 2 minus 1 is 1. So here we will get the value for x is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2 root 2 divided by 1. That is equal to how much here? So 2 plus 1 3, and this is 2 root 2. Okay, so this is the value for x. Now you can square it. Okay, that would be a better. Otherwise if you are squaring, then again we are squaring, expanding, and again the larger values will come, and then we are doing rationalization. So that would be a quite difficult. So better way, you can first rationalize, find out the final answer, and then square it. Okay. So here x square. So here 3 plus 2 root 2 whole bracket square. So this is a is nothing but 3 and b is nothing but 2 root 2. Okay. Expand by a plus b whole bracket square, that is a square plus b square plus twice ab. So here x square is nothing but 9, b square is nothing but 2 root 2 ka square plus 2 into 3 into 2 root 2. So here 9 plus 2 square is nothing but 4 and root 2 square is nothing but 2 plus 3 2s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. Here 12 root 2. So here 9 plus 8 plus 12 root 2, that is nothing but 9 plus 8, 17 plus 12 root 2. This is the value for what? X square. Can you get it? So similarly you can find out the value for y square. Okay? Find out. You can copy up to here and then we will go for x square. Can you getting up to here? Everyone can copy up to here fast. Then once you get x, then you can go for the y. Then again y you can rationalize here only. Root 2 minus 1 upon root 2 minus 1. And here root 2 minus 1 whole bracket square. Root 2 square is 2 and 1 square is 1. So this will become 1. Okay, so here we will get this as a y. So if you expand here, 2 minus is there, no? So 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2. So this is nothing but what your y. Okay, so y is nothing but 2 plus 1 is 3 minus 2 root 2. Because here a minus b, that is a square plus b square, and middle term comes negative. So that's what it is, minus 2 root 2. Y square, that is 3 minus 2 root 2 square. That is nothing but 3 square plus 2 root 2 whole bracket square plus 2 into 3 into 2 root 2. So So this is 9 plus 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12 root 2. So here 17 plus 12 root 2. This is nothing but what? Y square. And they are asking the value for x square plus y square. Okay. So here I require the value for x. This value I require. Then I will require this y value. Okay. And then this x square value I require. And this y square value I require. So these are the 4 brackets I require now. So according to the given question, we can try to find out the answer. Okay. So I'll erase everything. Okay, except that part. So here I got x square. X square is nothing but how much? 17 plus 12 root 2 plus y square is nothing but 17 plus 12 root 2 and plus x into y. X we have how much? 3 plus 2 root 2. This is x, and what is y? 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay. So now 17 plus 17 is nothing but 34 plus 12 root 2 plus 12 root 2 is 24 root 2 plus this is a plus b, a minus b. So here I will write 3 square minus 2 root 2 whole bracket square. So here 34 plus 24 root 2 plus 9 minus 4 and into 2 is nothing but 8. Okay. 9 minus 8 is 1. 34 plus 1 is nothing but 35 plus 24 root 2. This is what my final answer. Okay. So mostly this kind of questions they will ask for 3 or 4 marks. Getting this? These questions are lengthy but very important. Copy everyone. Once you done, you just message, then I will give a next question. Okay. Write down next question. If root 2 equal to 1 point, if root 2 equal to 1.414 and root 5 2.236 find the value of root 10 minus root 5 write down this as a root 10 minus root 5 divided by 2 root 2. Okay. And here value of root 2 is given 1.414 and root 5 is given something 2.236. Okay, these are the values given and they are asking us to find out the value for this function. Okay, so this kind of questions are also very important. Okay, so here, this much question, and find out the answer up to 3 decimal places. Okay. So here, whenever this kind of questions will come, always first go for the rationalization. Okay. So I will do here root 10 minus root 5 divided by 2 root 2. Okay. So here I multiply only root 2 and root 2. Okay. So here it will come root 2 inside the bracket 10 minus root 10 minus root 5 divided by 2, and root 2 into root 2 is 2, that is 2 into 2, that is 4. Here 4 will come. Okay. Now what I will do, root 2 I will keep it as it is, or 1 by 4 I will take it out. Root 2 multiplied by root 10 minus root 5. Now problem is that I don't have the value for root 10. So what I will do, now 1 by 4 inside the bracket root 2 and root 10. Can I write root 10 is nothing but root 5 into root 2, that is root 5 into root 2. Can you getting this point? Okay, so root 10 I can split it as root 5 into root 2 minus root 5. Okay, so see here, root 2 and root 2 will become 2. So 1 by 4 I will write 2 into root 5 minus root 5. Now very important here, can you able to see in this question, see the question is get simplified itself. 2 root 5 minus root 5. I will solve here 2 root 5 minus root 5. That minus root 5 is nothing but what its multiple is 1. 2 root 5 and minus 1 root 5 is nothing but what? Root 5 itself, no? Can you getting my point? So here we can write, it as 1 by 4 root 5. Okay, so 1 by 4 root 5 is nothing but 2.236. Now simplify this. Okay, so if I divide by 2, then 1.1, 1 and 3 8s are 16. Okay, again it is divisible by 2, then here 0, 5, 5, 1, 9. So 0.559 is the answer. Okay, very important 3-mark question. Okay, after that we are getting simplified version here, but you must go for the rationalization first. Here expected is there, that is the rationalization. Getting these questions? Once you copied, then message me, then I will give you next question. Okay, done. Okay. Then next question. Simplify by rationalizing the denominator. Okay. Simplify the rationalizing denominator. I'll give you 1 minute. Then at least you can try. Then only I will solve. here we have root 5 minus 2 upon root 5 plus 2 minus root 5 plus 2 divided by root 5 minus 2. Okay, simplify this. Okay, now while solving here you can take this as a separate term, this as a separate term. Once you get the answer, then you can subtract. Okay, try this question. Give me only 1 minute, so I will start solving, but you can also try. Okay, so we can start here. So what I will do, I will solve here minus 2 divided by root 5 plus 2. I am solving together, but for your for means you can try separate. Okay, so otherwise you will become confused. So root 5 minus 2 and root 5 minus 2, I did the rationalization, minus root 5 plus 2 upon root 5 plus root 5 minus 2 into root 5 plus 2 upon root 5 plus 2. Okay, so here root 5 minus 2 whole bracket square upon a square minus b square, that is root 5 square minus 2 square, minus root 5 plus 2 whole bracket square divided by root 5 a minus b, a plus b minus 2 whole bracket square. So here you can expand this. So root 5 whole bracket square plus 2 square minus 2 into 2 root 5 divided by root 5 square is nothing but 5 and 2 square is nothing but 4. 5 minus 4 is 1 minus, and put the bracket because outside the minus, so internal terms are what gets changed if outside negative is there. So here root 5 square is nothing but root 5 square plus 2 square plus 2 into 2 root of 5 divided by 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1. Okay, so now here I simplify 5 plus 4 minus 2 into 2, 4 root 5 minus inside the bracket 5 plus 4 plus 4 root 5. Okay, so 5 plus 4 is 9 minus 4 root 5 minus, I will multiply this minus and inside the bracket. Again 5 plus 4 is 9, that is minus 9, and plus minus 4 root 5 is minus 4 root 5. Okay, so here plus 9 minus 9 get cancelled. Minus 4 root 5 and minus 4 root 5 is nothing but minus 8 root 5. That's it. Okay, so answer is what here? Minus 8 root 5. Getting this? You can just copy and solve the next part. I'll just go down, someone came. and you can try to solve this question. 3 plus root 2 upon 3 minus root 2 is equal to a plus b root 2. Okay, find the value for a and b. Calculate this, I will come.
बंद आहे का?
नाही, चालू आहे. Okay, finished, copied. Okay, so you did 3 plus root 2 and 3 minus root 2 is equal to a plus b root 2. Simplify हो गया. Everyone copied this portion now, so we can go for that. So here 3 plus root 2 upon 3 minus root 2 is equal to a plus b root 2. So first you can take this LHS part and rationalize it. So 3 plus root 2 upon 3 minus root 2, take LHS and then multiply 3 plus root 2, because denominator with opposite sign we have to multiply here. 3 plus root 2. So here 3 plus root 2, 3 plus root 2 multiply twice, so its power will come square. Okay, and here a minus b, a plus b, that is 3 square minus root 2 square. Okay, so here again we can expand 3 plus root 2 by identity a plus b whole bracket square, that is a square plus b square plus twice ab. So you can write here 3 square plus root 2 square plus 2 into 3 into root 2 divided by, we have 3 square, that is nothing but 9, and root 2 square is nothing but 2 itself. Okay, so 3 square is 9 plus 2 plus 6 root 2 divided by 9 minus 2 is nothing but 7. Okay, 9 plus 2 is 11 plus 6 root 2 divided by 7. Getting this? So we can write or we can split. This are the 11 by 7 plus 6 by 7 root 2. This is nothing but my LHS. Okay, and they are saying RHS is equal to A plus B root 2. If you compare LHS with RHS, then you will get A as a 11 by 7 and B as a already root 2 is given, so no root 2 is not needed here to compare. Only B, that is coefficient, we have to compare. So B is nothing but what? 6 by 7. So this is a question and they are asking a value for A and B. A is 11 by 7 and B is 6 by 7. So many times, even sometimes I also write root 2, but that is not correct. Okay. So while comparing this root 2 get cancelled and coefficient of a B is nothing but here 6 by 7. Getting? This is also 3-mark question. So this kind of questions are very very important. Next chapter का एक दो साल ना उसका
मतलब नेक्स्ट चैप्टर से फिर नाही दिलं टीचर
जेव्हा दिवाळी चॅप्टर म्हटली नवीन चॅप्टर चालू
आमच्या इथे चालू नाही केलं नाही चालू आमच्या स्कूलमध्ये पण चॅप्टरचं प्रिंटआउट दिलं आहे मला दिसत नव्हतं कधी.
Okay. You can copy this.
केलं
ओके हो गया तुम लोगों का. चलो राइट डाउन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Simplify 7 divided by 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2. Simplify this. Simplify. Try yourself. Check can you able to solve or not. So here again we have to do rationalization because here root values are given in the denominator. So 7 divided by 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2 into, we can multiply here, root 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay, so 7 here 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by, we can write it as a plus b, a minus b and a plus b, that is 3 root 3 whole bracket square minus 2 root 2 whole bracket square. Okay, so now simplify this. 7 multiply, 7 3s are 21 root 3, 7 2s are 14 here plus root 2 divided by, here 3 square is 9 and here into 3 minus 4 into 2. So here you can take 7 common, okay, because 21 and 14 are there in the same table, that of 7. So 7 if I take common, then 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by 9 3s are 27 and 4 2s are 8. So if we subtract 8 from 27, how much is the answer? We will get it as 90. Okay, so now this is what you can keep it up to here. So this is what your answer. Getting this? Copy this much. After that, I hope everyone is copied this. So I will write one question. At least you can try that question. Okay, by yourself. I give you some time. So here 7 root 3 divided by root 10 plus root 3 minus 2 root 5 divided by root 6 plus root 5 minus 3 root 2 upon root of 15 plus 3 root 2. Okay, simplify this. Simplify this. Try to solve this by your own. Okay. Now what is the answer? How much is the answer we got? So you have to rationalize to each term. So here 7 root 3 divided by root 10 plus root 3 into root 10 minus root 3 divided by root 10 minus root 3 minus here 2 root 5 upon root 6 plus root 5 into root 6 minus root 5 upon root 6 minus root 5 minus 3 root 2 upon root of 15 plus 3 root 2 into root of 15 minus 3 root 2 divided by root of 15 minus 3 root 2. Okay. So now 7 root 3 inside the bracket root 10 minus root 3 divided by a plus b, a minus b, that is 10 minus 3, that is nothing but 7. Okay. So here again 2 root 5 inside the bracket root 6 minus root 5 divided by root 6 a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, 6 minus 5, that is equal to 1, and here 3 root 2 inside the bracket root of 15 minus 3 root 2 divided by. So here root 15 is nothing but 15 and 3 square is 9. 9 twos are again 18. Okay. So 9 twos are 18. So 15 minus 18 is nothing but minus 3. So this minus and minus will become plus. 3 get cancelled and here 7 is also get cancelled. Okay. Now what we can do? We just the given things are they are multiplying along with the negative side. So here root 10 into 3 is nothing but root 30 and root 3 into root 3 is nothing but 3, that is 3. Okay. So now minus here 2 root 6 into 5 is nothing but 30. Minus minus will become plus. So here 2 into root 5, that is root 5 into root 5 is 5. 5 into 2 is 10. So again here already plus is there. So here root 2 into root 15 is nothing but root 30 minus root 2 into root 2 is a 2. 2 into 3 is nothing but 6. Okay. So you can simplify here. Root 30 is nothing but 2 root 30 and this is minus 2 root 30 minus 3 plus 10 is nothing but 7. Okay. 7 minus 6 is nothing but 1. So this is get cancelled and you will get the answer 1. Okay. So simplify this. Getting this? केलं ना तो काय म्हणतो माहिती का ऐकून Okay, copied everyone. Getting this? Srushti is there or Aida is there? बंद करते तो बस पोरं झोपू देत. Okay, copied this question. Okay, copy.
अतिशयसाठी पण लिहून येते.
125, 125, 350 होता.
कसं
काउंट करायला नको. चुकल्यानं सांगितलं की नाही.
नाही
125, 125 किती होते? 1,600, 250 झाले ना. 255, 255 कसं? How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of exterior angle is 25?
15.
Only 15.
15 है.
How many sides does regular polygon have if each of its interior angles are 165? Interior angle 165. And on the exterior is a formula. The exterior angle is the exterior angle 15 the number of sides are 304. Okay, girls, finished? Okay. So now I will end this. You can enjoy. Okay. So we can meet by tomorrow. Today have some work. So I'll end this session. You can leave.